Hey guys, how's it going? Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be bringing you a review on an SJRC Folding drone. Has some pretty cool features: foldable, GPS return to home, point of interest, waypoint, flight, active track, hand gestures, and about 25 minutes of flight. We know we're going to get a little under that 25 minutes, maybe 19 or something like that. So here we go. Hopefully everything's intact with the condition that box was in. Here, as you can see, we have the transmitter, we have the drone itself, and I did go with the white color. White is my favorite color. So let's just start with the transmitter. We got these little cushions here to protect the sticks. Now, I'm gonna be honest here. When I seen this controller in other reviews, I really thought it was like really cheap. Thought it was gonna be like really cheap and really flimsy, but it actually has some heft to it. It's actually a very decent weight. You know, I like the feel of it. It's definitely not as cheap feeling as I thought it was gonna be, okay? It definitely feels nice. So this is, as you can see here, saying LiPo 300 milliamp. So it is going to be rechargeable, no batteries. And here we go, our charging for our micro USB. And yeah, it feels really nice. So we got is this spring loaded? Yeah, spring loaded wheel for the speed of the drone, spring loaded wheel for the angle. It has these antennas on here, but I highly doubt they're real. They look like they're just for show. That's where you put your phone at. We got here the power button. This looks like return to home. We do have some, you know, some illustrations here, or telling us the button. This looks like auto takeoff, auto landing. Like we have headless mode here. Okay. This is showing the camera button, so I guess you push that and take a picture. Push this one to record. Okay. Definitely not bad. So the drone itself. All right. Now this too has a nice weight to it. Hope you guys can get a good look there. All right. Feels very nice. Very nice. It's not lightweight, cheap at all. There's our adjustable camera that we're going to be able to move up and down. That is 1080p unstabilized. It doesn't have any electronic stabilization. It doesn't have any physical or electronical stabilization. 1080p. It does connect 5G Wi-Fi, so make sure you got a phone capable of 5G Wi-Fi. I'll be using my Note 9, which is capable of that. There's phones a lot older than that too that are 5G capable. The props are two separate folding ones, and it looks like, so we fold the front ones out first from the back like that, then we bring the bottom ones out. Okay. And they are sturdy. It's like a like this. So you see a push, it doesn't really go back easy, so they're very sturdy. The arms feel very sturdy, and again, I'm just being really honest. It's a very decent quality. It's a very decent quality. It doesn't feel like lightweight or cheap or anything like that. This looks like the battery here on the top. Looks like we got a little bit of smart. You push it and see the level of the battery there. Hold that to turn it on. Okay. There we go. We can see the lights. We're going to turn that back off for now. And here is your micro USB port on the side for charging. And again, I want to emphasize that it feels really nice. It feels really nice. It's not lightweight or cheap at all. We hit this, and okay, so it pops out. So when the battery's in, you push these two in on the side and you pull up. And the battery comes right out. Now, I did order a second battery with this. So I have two. I feel like you definitely just need two batteries. So I did order two batteries. And it looks like here it's saying 11.1 volt, 2500 milliamp lithium ion battery. Okay, so we got 25 minutes of flight on that. Like I said, probably a little less. All right. We don't have any sensors or anything on the bottom here. It looks like they got the little holes for it, but you know, definitely no type of sensors on the bottom. So I'm assuming it's using, you know, maybe a barometer to keep it up, but it definitely doesn't have any cameras or optical flow sensors here on the bottom. I just want you guys to get a good look at it. These are brushless motors, okay? And you did see when I turned it on, we have the lights there. So yeah, very nice feeling craft, okay? We have here, it says blades, so I guess these are the spare blades, as you know, which are gonna be these in case if you break any of those. We got some spares here. Let's see, they give us a little Allen wrench and the blades themselves. See how many comes in here. Okay, 1, 2, okay, 4. So they give us a whole set of 4. Okay, and they give us the little tool for that. Okay, we'll just set that to the side there. All right, what do we have here? This looks like the USB charging cable. Yep, there goes your micro USB for your charging. I also have tons of those, so. And here, this box is unlabeled. I'm guessing the instructions. Yes. F11 GPS folding drone. That will conclude for the initial unboxing, and you're gonna see the rest in the next video, okay? Thank you for watching, stay tuned. I'm gonna do another video. I just wanted to do the initial unboxing, and then the next video is going to be going over connecting your phone, and then the third video is gonna be the flight test. So, yep, here it is. Again, very decent quality, $150. Supposedly 1,200 meters flying distance. We'll see how true that is, or, you know, where, you know, it depends on also where you are. So I'm definitely personally happy with the quality and what I've seen so far. So next we're gonna be pairing it to the phone and turning it on and just going over a briefing over the app, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.